Happy Merry Christmas, everybody. Christmas is coming up very soon, but oh goodness, I already said that big snowball. It's Community Day Classic. Well, it's Community Day for the entire year. It's Community Day here, and we're looking for shinies. We're looking for shinies today. Big adventure because it's the big community day with all the community day Pokemon. It's a little slippery today because ice is all over the ground. It's a little bit cold too. The wind is freezing, but it's about 32 degrees Fahrenheit right now. We already got ourselves one shiny earlier. Shiny Pommy, I wasn't recording it, and a 98. 98% Bombardier in a raid, which I almost lost. So that was a bit crazy. I was doing it myself. We're working on the Masterwork research. Got the first task done. It was the make 100 ice throws. So we're almost done this task. Get the first page done today. Got 3 of these researches that would give the Pokemon, but I should probably plot the instance. I'll do it later. Alright, here we go. We're gonna take a little break. For now, I'll keep my gloves on, but I can like quick catch and stuff, but it's really cold today, so we're hoping to get a shiny of Stringatino, Carablast and Shelmet, because I yet have gotten that shiny, so I should probably be using berries. I'm going pretty slowly, and this is a good time to make Sylveon our buddy, and we'll evolve to Sylveon, our Dynamax Sylveon, so we'll do that too. Let's use all these berries here. Okay, if that one fled. We got a Pommy. I'm running out of Pokeballs, guys. There. Shelmet. I have a bunch of these great balls. I don't know how to say this before that. Alright, we want to split pull. Carablast. And the nail light. My shiny's purple. He doesn't know what I mean. Alright, let's get going. Alright, let's get ready. So, yeah. At home. I know, so. Yeah. Oh, there was a collection challenge. Didn't even notice. Another Vanillite. Alright, let's continue. Alright, yeah. Christmas is in about 20 days from now. Can't wait for the Halloween holiday season this year. Come on, Chai Stringatino, let's go. It's tiny at least. let's just see. I also leveled up to 54. And is there any? And I got a shiny bag on yesterday. Carablast. For Coco. That was my bad. That was totally my fault. Alright, oh yes. Here we go. Sounds good. It's not good. No, it's definitely not good. Alright. Vanillite. That's shiny. Let's go. Got our second shiny of the event. We got our second shiny of the event. Heading to the plaza right now. Got our second shiny. Hopefully we can get ourselves a Shundo today. 15 attack. I'll take it. For Coco. Alright, well, I think you're only there. We're just about there. We got a long walk ahead of us here for a couple of hours. I'm not gonna play the entire event, but well, that was actually a good for Coco. We got ourselves 2 shinies so far. And in the first 30 minutes of the event. It's yellow, I don't know why, but I want to get the first page of the historic research done. Yeah, it does require like 200 candy. That's gonna, there's a save line here. I could battle it. Yeah, we do have this. I didn't realize there was a collection challenge. So XP and Stardust. Okay, I just need to use berries and catch Pokemon. Alright. I'll just catch everything and I'm gonna continue our walk. Yeah, I'm gonna... Alright, now, Carablast. Come on, I want to get back to some point. Alright, yeah. I'm gonna go send them this video. I'm so bad at quick catching. I don't know why. I don't know why I'm terrible at it, but I'm just terrible at it. Oh wow, look how great this is. I think losing balls here is not appropriate. I feel like we haven't gotten a shiny for a while. Seriously, for Coco. I'm gonna get angry. I can't quick catch. I don't know why, but I can't. I start to catch like 40 Pokemon. It's crazy. 60-ish. I'm trying 3 Vanillite. That's not an all catch up a Pokeball. Why not? Alright. 1, 2. Just one area. And again, it's pretty much easy. Like quick cuts for I can't. If I hold the... See, I hold the berry button. No, I was stupid. See, I don't know. Guys, maybe I'll have a quick catch. Yeah, it's flat anyway. Of course it did. Let's keep going, I guess. While we're here. This is the Eevee. We're gonna give it a pop. Alright, we got a lot of Pokemon here. I have 36 Pokemon. There's a lot of stuff going on here. This is still also the same spot where I did that Dynamax Lugia from last weekend. If you guys didn't watch it, I'm sure about it. And it's called there's a lot going on here. Okay. Alright, this is also this bad signal area. Because I've been now I'm just gonna close out everything now. So I get to a better area. Is Rookie part of this? I don't really remember. That thing fled. It hopefully wasn't shiny, or hopefully it's something I clicked on. There we go. I was just talking about getting I was just talking about getting a shiny Carablast. I was just talking about getting a shiny Carablast, and we got our first shiny that we needed that I have not gotten in yet. So this is also registered to the shiny dex too. So there we go. Glad we got that. And back-to-back shinies. That's what we like here. This is our 4th shiny so far. We just got back-to-back shinies. If you haven't seen I don't think I make it, but I got 3 back-to-back shinies with Picky Peck Day, which is tomorrow. But we got ourselves. I'll be tagging everything once I'm done, like actually catching everything. Let's just see if we caught it yourself. Oh no, or something good. For Coco, I yet have not gone a shiny. For Coco, well, yeah, I have, but I don't know if I got it to me today, but. And there's a Vanillite here. Everything else probably ran, or I went a little further. 12 CP. I'll catch that first ball. Unless I'm stupid and it jumps out. We're gonna head down there, go back towards a little park in the school over there. But I'm gonna take a little break first to go to the bathroom. We're just gonna show you guys where I'm at right now. I'm just gonna do the buddy thing. If I can earn one more little heart and get this next. Take our snapshots. Let's do that. Smuggle 13 CV. That's what. This is not part of this community, but alright, let's keep going. It's not shiny or anything, but I've never actually been on the sidewalk for a long time, so yeah. The bus is just going by. Homie. I was about to say homie my mommy, but whatever. That's just a funny joke I made up, but whatever. Picky peck. I gotta have to wait for the light, but there's still some Pokemon I need to catch, but there's still, well, that was actually a good picky peck too. The light just turned red right in front of my face, so I just gotta wait a little bit. Gonna have to wait a little bit for it to turn green, but that's okay. We just gonna stay here and wait. Oh, I gotta focus in. That's not shiny. A vanilla here. 71 CP. Air blast to turn green, so that's why well, that's a very strong one, but homie here. 7. Hey, back to where I came, but I'm turning down a different road, so oh my god, I'm so cold, but I'm taking a little break to stop for the second part. I'll probably somehow make all these videos into one. It would be like an hour-long video, just playing and stuff, but I'm gonna check out my Pokemon plushies that I got for Christmas. So I'm gonna do that in a bit. I'm just gonna check my buddy right now. Okay, let's just see if we got any hundos while we're gone. 4-star. No, we have not. Okay, that's okay. So we can transfer all of this. That's how to transfer my shiny Care Blast. Eve. Is this the Eevee? Is this the... Okay. We're gonna evolve this to Sylveon. We're gonna evolve this Eevee to Sylveon. There we go. Now we're gonna go to our sun-coated swap. I will turn. Let's just see what's here. I'm just trying to get this other page done. There's a Jangmo-O. I like out of Pokeballs. So, we'll go to Great Balls now. Alright, so basically heading home, but not really. Turning. Alright, well, this is basically it for part 1 now. Cause I have to stop and go to the bathroom first. Okay, we got a lot of stuff here. Before I stop. Coco. Shelmet, I need that shiny in Springatina. There's some stairs I can sit down on. Yeah, Alright, I won't catch anything, I'll just check them. If that's a 38 CP, I'll catch that. Okay, that wasn't really nice, having the light. Shelmet here. Oh wow, a huge one. I'll see you guys next time. Part 2. The drift is doing stuff. Things are happening. The drift is doing weird things, but I was going the wrong way. What am I doing? Let's break it over. So yeah. There's a kecleon. Kecleon. I never. Oh my god! Whoa! Oh my god! Shiny kecleon! Let's go! What's the odds of that? Kecleon. That's ridiculous. And we got a shiny kecleon. That's crazy. Crazy. Shiny kecleon. That's crazy. Oh, I'll put this to the TV day. That's crazy. So Coco here. Yeah. Got a Shelmet that I haven't checked. Doing random things. I don't. Oh, it's kicking me out. You guys just witnessed the shiny kecleon being caught. I was not expecting to get a kecleon today, but I got a shiny kecleon. We're gonna start up a route. We're gonna show me. I haven't cleaned up about it. Okay, we're gonna do a route. It jumped out. How dare you? So where are we at this research here? There's a lot of ice here, so you gotta be careful. That's why I'm so slow. There's a lot of ice. Like, there's this entire area full of ice, so I'm gonna be really slow. Oh, critical caught it. That's crazy. Okay, but it's like so much ice here, so I'm trying to go fast. But trying to click up the cocoa. Actually, it's the vanilla that's on the adventure incense. So where are we at this research? We need to catch 30 more boats along this way. So this, okay, it's still pretty icy here today, so. Oh, that was also a hundo. Wow. Well, weather's right now windy, so they'll go over the roof. That flood right when I click on it. For all. Oh, it is the last 10 minutes of the event. Okay, it's the last 10 minutes of the event. That means it's Community Day Classic time. So, it's just about Community Day Classic time. Oh, thank you, Machop. I really appreciate it. Really appreciate it. A lot of ice here. It's Community Day Classic time, meaning all the Community Day Classic Pokemon are out. Just need to. So you got Eevee here. Machop. That's what I'm worrying about right now. Machop. Somehow we got like 3 or 4 shinies. Just need to get 100 candy and I can stop catching these. So yeah, this Community Day Classic time. The last 10 minutes. It's officially Community Day o'clock. So this is where I'm going after like crazy because it's the last 10 minutes of the event. It's not really of the event, but it's left with almost the hour. Meaning it's I like the low CP total. It's easy to get. So, 45 more run that we can stop. And I'm running out of great balls. Alright, I can start catching the chops now. We'll just click on everything. Okay, we're at 225. We have to catch this. That. Let's just click this research chart here. We have all this research correctly. I'll put some Community Day on in my stack. Why not? Maybe a shiny I'll put in the stack and touch it later. It's been a long time since I got a shiny. For Coco, that's tiny. I'm followed right now. I don't really like that. X6S. Okay, there's a lot going on here. What's Eevee? Totodile. Ralt. Last research. A solstice. 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 I don't know what to say this. Solstice. That's what it is. It's not solstice. How does he solstice? I'm just saying random words now. I'm just very shocked we got a shiny kecleon. That's why I'm a little shocked right now that I managed to get a shiny kecleon. I think that's full odds too. I keep clicking this total file. Vanillite. My hands are so cold I can't click anything. Okay, yeah, there's like 6 minutes left of the hour, so these Community Day Classic Pokemon will stop spawning. Kind of ruining all the fun, to be honest. I don't really need any of this anymore. Kind of ruining my fun. Aeron Raid. Maybe. If we got time, we'll do the raid. There's a bunch of chops here. Yeah, I thought you felt snow. How much do we have left? 20 Pokemon left, and use about 50 more berries. I'm trying to get this completed today. I do have that daily free box. Egg. There's that's rude, but it's a dun. Right, lot going on here. Total. Oh, I'm not doing there. I would like to, but I'm getting cold. Okay, there's like Coco there, a Totodile there, two Eevees. There's like three Eevee, Machop, the Eevee planted to Machop. That was weird. And then a Carol Blast. Goodness, hours go to end. I kind of should catch these rocks too for like Dynamite Garden Form or Dragon. So that's I know. Oh god, I need to catch a lot of rocks. I should be thinking of that. There's a lure on the Pokestop. That could be good. I didn't do it because I didn't hear it. I was gonna forgot to put down a Glacial lure. I'm also on movie to Sylvia. Why that? I'm just trying to get the full work candy. Need to catch 15 more Pokemon. Now I need to actually look at my street for the big art, so we're gonna head back soon though. I'm gonna start using berries to catch Pokemon. Let's see if there's a Zygarde cell anywhere. I don't follow routes that often, but I'll do it. Oh, Moltres, guys, Moltres. Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! Shiny Galarian Moltres! Oh my freaking god! Oh my god! Freaking amazing! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, okay, just sit down somewhere. That's this. And there's a bird sitting by the way. Let's go! Oh, let's go! Best best community ever! 3,000 CP shining delivered ball trades. Wow, okay. Okay, there's a bench just right there. We're gonna get over there. Wow. I only 120 ultimates. I wish I had a max ball, but I better catch this. I swear. There's a shiny Galarian Wolf. Okay. Just trying to get across the street here. Stop with the shiny Galarian Wolf. I need to stand too. I go down. Okay. Okay, guys. I'm down now. Breakthrough. Come on, stay. That's okay. I don't. Come on, this thing wants to attack. They gotta stop attacking. Don't know how. Oh my god. Alright, I need to go home. I'm going home while I catch this bird. Oh my god. So far. I threw a Pokeball at it. What am I thinking? Okay, just forget the tree today. We're working on catching this shiny Galarian Moltres now. Sure, stay. Oh, I caught it! No freaking way! Oh my god! Oh, I caught the shiny Galarian Moltres. Oh my god! Guys. Shundo. It's almost the Shundo! Oh my let's just go! It never took that long! Oh my god! Let's go! I finally got Moltres! Okay, so much is happening here. Let's exchange with the gift from Mateo. Um, okay, it didn't take me that many times, actually. This is, I'm gonna cross again. Today is like, I need to go back. I need to go back for the route so I can get my rewards. Sorry, Sunkern, but can't type. Come on out, Shiny Galarian Moltres. We're gonna make you best buddies. We're gonna make you best buddies at some point today, so. Okay, we're gonna complete the route, guys. This is my Christmas present. Okay, I get it. Before something happens. 3 Astros, 2 Air Candy, a bunch of other stuff. The 15 minutes officially ended, but I didn't use that any balls. Luckily, it took about 12 tries to get that little trace. I'm gonna stop again to catch all the stuff. On camera, guys. On camera. I glad I started recording today. This is the best day ever. I was wanting a starting Galarian bird. Always, like, so as soon as it came out, and I got a Moltres, and Moltres was the last one needed. So I'm not gonna use my Master Ball on now. I don't need you, Master Ball. I don't need you anymore. I got myself a shiny Galarian Moltres, which I caught with a freaking Great Ball. That was insane. Yeah. Okay. Calm down, Poke4NT. Calm down, Poke4NT. Oh my goodness gracious. I might use a silver bottle cap on it. What do you guys think? Write W's in the chat. Write hearts in the chat. Write good job in the chat, guys. I got a. Okay, now I'm getting interrupted by somebody. Yeah, I really appreciate that. I just got a freaking shiny Galarian Moltres, and then you're interrupting me. Don't interrupt me while I'm playing Pokemon Go. The incense just ran out. I'm gonna screenshot this. Look at that. So, go away. A shiny Galarian bird was caught at Community Day Classic. Community 2025. A shiny Galarian bird was caught. I'm speechless. On a route to the last one on the daily. It took how many tries did it take? It took about maybe 10 tries. I used about 2 golden raspberries. What ball did I catch it with? Ultra Ball. That's crazy. Okay. Sun card. Okay. evolve a Pokemon. Okay, I'll do that. But I just have a couple more tasks left. Uh, let's go. That's everything I have to say. Wow. Um, I was gonna do the arrow grade, and I would never gotten that shiny bird if I haven't done that. I've had a, uh, I, last week I caught an Articuno in the wild. First ball, it was a regular Galarian Articuno. Regular Galarian Articuno. And now this week I got a shiny Galarian Moltres. That's crazy. I love the Shiny Luck today. I don't have the Shiny Luck merch on right now from the 6-7. But this, I have the Shiny Luck, guys. Hey guys, I'll give you guys some Shiny Luck in the chat, though. In the comments. I'll give you guys some Shiny Luck. I'll give you guys some luck for it. It took me a few tries. I critical caught it. Thank God. Thank God. No, that was the thing. I'm just gonna evolve this to complete that first research task done. Thank God, I critical caught it with a freaking nice throw. I don't know how I did that, but that was crazy. The last spot on the route was a multiple, and I clicked it, and it was shiny. My friend is gonna be so freaking jealous of me. So jealous of me. And that I'm not getting any more shinies, but I don't care. I can stop this day for good. I don't need any more. What do we got from this research? I don't need any more shinies. Oh, baby. I don't need any more shinies. I'm done. I don't want another shiny. I'm done. This is the best community day ever. I said it last weekend for 50 Pack, but this is clearly the best one. That was also Hundo, too. Crazy. Okay, found more Pokemon. Just berries. Okay. 40 more berries. I could do that. Terrablast. Still yet haven't got that shiny. What is it? Shiny. Shelmet and shiny. Everyone's getting so jealous of me. Oh my god. It was. Weather boosted too, so it's even harder. It's almost 3,000 CP. It's almost level 40. I didn't even realize it. Oh my god. At first I thought that was crazy. We got ourselves, what was it? Shiny kecleon. Shiny kecleon. That was a full-on shiny. What the heck? And then now it's about the 20. I was just saying myself because I got the 2 Galarian birds in one day. Because I got the 2 Galarian birds in the same day. I was recording it like we did it, but I didn't catch any of them. And I said, I'm going to get a shiny Galarian bird in the next couple or so. And guess what? It happened. I got a shiny Galarian Moltres. I was hoping I had a Master Ball, but I didn't need it because I caught on like the 5th try. So that was crazy. Part 3, guys. I'm just returning home. We're returning back home now. That was my bad, but I don't care because I got in the last part. I got a shiny Galarian Moltres. If you guys did watch part 2, this was a very short part because of one, like about maybe basically on my street, and second of all, this is my last Pokemon to get that final research task done. Yeah. We just gotta use berries now. Well, no longer have to catch anything. Thank goodness. That took a long time. But we could claim. No, whoops. Yeah, there's a Mighty Absol there, but whatever. Claim the 20 Pokeballs. Now I just need to use berries. So we'll use berries on everything I see. Use berries. 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 I'm just using berries on everything. Everyone's gonna be so jealous of me I caught a shiny Galarian bird. I don't know how that Quaxley just appeared. There's ice everywhere here too, so I gotta be careful. I should have used a pineapple, but I would have critical caught it anyways. But I didn't know I critical caught it, so I don't know how I would know. I don't know what I'm saying. I'm still pretty shocked. Did I really just get another shiny Palmy? Did I really just get another shiny Palmy? I have 4 of these. I don't need another shiny Palmy. Oh god. What is happening? Oh, I should have created another shiny Palmy. Come on, shiny Sprigatito. Oh, okay. Very icy here. Gotta be careful, but we just need to use 30 more berries. I'm not gonna get. Probably not gonna get things done today. Oh yeah, I'm probably gonna get done today, but I'll definitely record the next. Trying to get it. I'm gonna go this way because it's probably longer. Sprigatito, is that shiny? Oh yeah, I thought the eyes were different for a second. I don't know what shiny Sprigatito looks like, but as you can see, shiny Galarian Moltres. We're gonna working on best buddies and golden bottle cap it to make it a shundo. It's gonna be crazy. It's either the shiny kecleon or that Galarian the Galarian Moltres is always the number one. I'm gonna go home and relax after that long day. It's starting to snow a little bit too, so I'm just gonna. After this long, about 30 to 40 minutes, my battery is so dead right now. It's like 20%. So I'm gonna just use the last couple of berries. I didn't want to lose that bird. People look at me like I was crazy, but I don't care. I'll see you guys next time.